Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Suhani and I am back with another video. Today's video will be all about my Diwali makeup look. So I will be creating this look right here. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Starting with the primer, I am using this one from Nykaa, Prep Me Up. This will help to minimize the pores and the fine lines. Next I am using this orange corrector from LA Girl Pro Conceal. अब मैं इसको अपने डार्क एरियाज पे लगाऊंगी जहाँ जहाँ मुझे करेक्टर की नीड है. I am going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 312 Amber. ये आपको हर जगह लगाना है जहाँ आपने करेक्टर लगाया है. Now I am going to blend this concealer using a beauty blender from PAC. Make sure your beauty blender is properly damp before using it. Now that my concealer is properly blended, now I will move on to the foundation. Here I am using this one from Estee Lauder Double Wear range. अब मैं इसको अपने पूरे फेस पे डॉट कर लूँगी. अब जो भी एक्स्ट्रा फाउंडेशन होगा वो मैं अपने स्पॉन्ज पे लेके एंड देन आई विल अप्लाई इट ऑन द नेक एंड देन अगेन ब्लेंड इट. Before moving on to setting your base, make sure your foundation is completely blended. देख done. Next I will be setting this base using the K Beauty white setting powder Using the blender again, I will be applying it under the eyes and all over the face. Now my face is done. I will now move on to my eyebrows. I am using this matte eyeshadow palette. I'll be using this eyeshadow in the shade Brune, the shade right here, to fill my brows. Start कैसे करना है? I will draw a line beneath and then blend it upwards. जो भी स्पार्स एरियाज है आप उनको फिल कर दीजिए. Doing the other brow as well. Now brows are done, I will move on to the eyeshadow application. For eyes, I will be keeping it simple and creating a black smoky eye with a hint of glitter because festive season. So let's begin. I will be using this palette from Huda Beauty. This is a Rose Gold Remastered palette. And I will be using a eyeshadow brush and using this shade Black Truffle right here, and we'll be patting all over the eyelid. After placing this color black on the eyelid, I will be using a fluffy eyeshadow brush in order to blend the edges of this black color. And I will be using shade Henna right here from the same palette. Now I will keep on blending the black and the brown color so that there is no stark line between the two colors. Now after doing this, I will be taking this shade Sandalwood right here and applying it at the outer corners just to merge the highlighter and the eyeshadows. This will give a sunset kind of effect. The eyeshadow has blended completely. Now I will move on to the lower lash line and applying the same black color closer to the lash line and then blending it with the brown shade. सी लोअर लैश लाइन पे करने से प्रॉपर एक स्मोकी इफेक्ट आ जाता है. I have followed the same steps on the other eye as well. Now I will be moving on to the glitter. I will be using this palette from Forever 52. Using this shade right here, I will be using a finger because the application is quite nice with a finger, and applying it at the center of the eye. After applying the shimmer, I have completed the look with the false lashes. This is how it has turned out. Moving on to the lipstick, I am using this one from Maybelline, Superstay Matting in the shade Globetrotter. So here is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get all the notifications from my videos. You can also follow me on Instagram for many more updates. Till then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.